Kazakhstan is a constitutional republic with a strong presidency and the largest economy in Central Asia. The new capital of Kazakhstan is brash and grandiose and wildly attractive to young strivers seeking success. Kazakhstan's stable macroeconomic, social, and political climate is viewed as its most attractive feature. As a modern country, Kazakhstan has set its environmental priorities by optimizing the environmental management system and reducing the environmental impacts for sustainable development. Kazakhstan is committed to the safe management of PCBs as demonstrated by signature of the Stockholm Convention and its subsequent ratification of the 9th of November 2007. Due to PCB's proven toxicity, the production and use of PCBs was put to a stop in 1974. PCBs are still a crucial issue due to damage that can be caused to the environment and human health by leakage, misplacement, or dumping of the wastes. For planning appropriate action in the field of controlling POPs substances and releases, as well as fulfilling the reporting requirements of the Convention, the government of Kazakhstan developed an action plan for PCB management as a part of its draft National Implementation Plan on POPs. The PCB Action Plan evolved into a project called Design and Execution of Comprehensive PCB Management Plan for Kazakhstan, which is a joint undertaking by the Government of Kazakhstan, private sector partners, and the United Nations Development Programme. The overall project objective is to significantly reduce emissions of PCBs and to reduce its impact on health and the environment through the systematic development of sound management of PCBs in the country. POLYCHLORINATED is an internationally operating hazardous waste management company specialized in the management of polychlorinated biphenyls and other hazardous waste. POLYCHLORINATED is certified with all necessary accreditations and approvals, including ISO 9001 Quality System, EMAS Environmental Management System, 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Accreditation System, and ISO 28000 Security Management System for the supply chain.
POLYCHLORINATED was assigned the project for the final disposal of PCB oils from the Republic of Kazakhstan, including handling, packaging, transboundary movement transportation, and destruction of PCB oils by UNDP Kazakhstan through an international open tendering procedure.
POLYCHLORINATED sound management system for PCB contaminated transformers and equipment has been designed and implemented since 2001 and addresses all managing steps including the pumping out, collection, packaging, interim storage, labeling, transportation and final disposal of the waste.
The project includes the management of PCB oils and PCB contaminated soils at 5 industries in Kazakhstan, including drainage and cleaning of transformers, packaging of drained PCB oils in UN-approved containers, labeling of the waste in accordance with ADR and IATA codes, issuance of transboundary licenses for the export of the waste to Europe, air transportation, and final disposal at a high-temperature incinerator.
This project has a pioneer element since it involves the air transportation of the PCB waste from Kazakhstan to Europe. Air transportation was selected after a thorough investigation of the regulatory regimes and liaison with competent authorities of neighbor countries which unfortunately denied the transit of the PCB waste through their territories. A fully licensed charter cargo airplane will be employed to transport waste to a licensed incineration facility in Europe once the waste is properly packaged and the transboundary movement documents are issued. My work as a site manager of POLYCHLORINATED is to supervise and oversight hazardous waste management projects and to ensure their smooth implementation in accordance with the highest environmental, health and safety standards. I also monitor and control the quality of the works up to their final stage to ensure that export and disposal of waste is carried out efficiently and in accordance with all relevant national and international regulations.
POLYCHLORINATED is committed to a strong environmental management program based on environmental sustainability. In POLYCHLORINATED, we are passionate about integrating environmental stewardship and sustainability into our corporate culture. POLYCHLORINATED's guiding principles is to exceed expectations by providing top-tier services and successful cost-effective execution. Through our work, we provide expertise and a broad network to reduce long-term environmental effects and accelerate cost-effective cleanup of contaminated sites and to promote sustainable systems that reduce our environmental footprint. We anticipate and keep pace with our clients' evolving needs by continually enhancing our global geographic presence and broad spectrum of complementary technical and strategic skills. Viewing each client as a long-term partner, we work diligently to provide the highest caliber of services to solve some of the most pressing environmental issues.